class training. All right, Matt, Ms. Lambert, you're free to go sit back at the defendant's table. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've just heard the case of Abigail Lambert, who's been charged with the offense of battery on a household member. In this case, you may sentence the defendant to the following community service hours: drug and alcohol classes, 1 to 6 jury duty sessions, 4 to 30 hours of community service, an apology to her parent in the courtroom in front of her peers and before you, and that would occur before she leaves the courtroom here today. You may also order know the law classes, drug and alcohol awareness class, relationship violence, shoplifting prevention, any of these that apply to the facts that you find them. Verdict form has been prepared for you, which you can take into the jury room and deliberate on. When you've reached an agreement, the foreperson will complete the verdict form and sign it. At the time that you are sworn in, jury instructions were provided to you. If you have any questions regarding the instructions, you may ask the jury monitor for assistance. Do you have any questions before we allow you to deliberate on this case? Who is the jury foreman today? Have you selected one? No? Okay. Let me give the court monitor the jury verdict forms. All rise. You may be seated.
We would have heard it.
Yeah, and she didn't want to go home. She didn't want the main thing. She didn't want to go home with her mom at 10 p.m. on a. I guess. All right. Says Miss Hunt stated that her mom came to pick her up. She refused to. Miss Hunt started. She began to yell and called under the bleachers. Reached under the bleachers to pull Abigail out. She began to kick, hit her. She was finally removed from the bleachers. Appeared very upset and she was upset. Eventually stated she had wanted to leave. She hit on the bleachers. She might have struck her mom when she tried to remove her. And had bad behavior. So.
How would she not want to go if there was a knife put on her?
And she said that that guy wanted to go smoke and shoot up. So.
That's what she said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear her.
She's like, he wanted to smoke and shoot up.
And then he pulled a knife on her.
And then he
she
pulled a
said
knife.
no.
And she went and hit on the bleachers.
Mm-hmm.
So, to me, there's something.
Something a little weird.
That's embarrassing.
So what do we?
She's like, you're not embarrassed at all? No. No.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're not embarrassed. My mom would have beat the crap out of me.
So we definitely apology to mom.
Yeah.
What about that?
Do you have a pen?
abusive
Another
relationship?
law.
Domestic
Give her another
Yeah.
class.
Know the law? Do I have a pen?
Especially battery on a household member.
Alright.
That one is will be mandatory in this case.
What's that?
The know the law.
No,
Oh, the domestic
yes.
violence.
How many community service hours, though? I think we should give her like 10, maybe
She needs
more.
to she doesn't talk very good.
Well, there's not really an excuse for that. You can't just
She's just like,
refuse to leave with your mom.
yeah, and 10 p.m. I don't understand.
Yeah.
It was like 5, 6, but 10's pretty good. All right.
Being 13, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Know the law?
Yeah.
Yes.
Drug and alcohol awareness class?
No.
Well, she said that fool had
Relationship
drugs.
violence?
Yeah, that one.
Letter of apology victim
Yeah. Just a victim.
to repair harm. Is
So,
that
like,
apology?
we could write a letter to her mother? Is that what that means?
Letter of apology to victim to repair harm.
To repair harm.
in a case as if, she caused physical damage to either an individual or to a piece of property,
Okay.
that she would submit a letter of apology in writing.
So it doesn't really apply in this case.
Did you check the apology to parent though?
There was a law, apology parent court, yeah, I think that's mandatory. Hours of community service,
At least 15.
Yeah.
Cause I mean, hitting your mom, that's like crazy.
15?
I say that's too low.
I know.
I wouldn't
I feel
even be
bad 'cause
alive if I hit my mom.
Community service,
20?
Yeah, at least 20.
20.
ooh,
Man, she's a shy little girl.
you?
Man.
What do you say?
What?
I don't know, man. She was crying and stuff. She's like 5 or 10 or something.
You're saying 5 or 10?
Yeah.
We got
Not
5
only
and
that,
10, we got 20.
She didn't
You were
want to get
15.
grounded.
I was feeling sorry for her.
Oh.
Yeah, but there's something behind it. She's.
I know.
I do feel sorry for her, but there was a lot
What
of
about like 17 and
16,
16?
16.
Okay.
13 for her age.
No.
No, 16.
She's there's something going on behind there. No, but really, if someone has a knife and your mom's going to pick you up, you
See,
usually
that's
go
weird.
home. Your
I
mom's like,
know.
alright, let's get out. No, there's a guy with a knife. Let me hide in the bleacher instead.
Let me stay here.
16 hours community service. Jury duties
3.
I say like 5.
4.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Apology to parent in courtroom. Know the law. Relationship violence.
You checked that one on the other side.
Yes, check again. I probably did the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alcohol and drug awareness class. No. Shoplifting. No. Apology letter. A victim. To the oh, okay.
We have to sign the bottom.
Yeah.
I do.
Everyone?
Everyone.
Oh.
She's probably real nervous right now.
No, we've been in here
You all need to choose